Hey guys, it's Jim Aspel, Connecticut workers' compensation attorney, and we're here at the office in Farmington. It's a really kind of disgusting day out. It's been a combination of sleet and freezing rain all day. As you can kind of see, our parking lot is a mess. The video doesn't really do it justice, but it's essentially a sheet of ice. And it dawned on me I wanted to do just a quick Facebook Live for those people who are out working in these conditions today. And it's important to keep in mind that we see a lot of injuries that arise out of snow and ice situations like this. Frequently, people slip and fall while they're out doing their job. They slip and fall on the ice. We represent a number of maintenance workers who sustain back and shoulder injuries when they're out shoveling, salting, or sanding in these kind of conditions, and so on and so forth. Obviously, if you have any kind of motor vehicle component of your job, if you're a driver, a truck driver, cab driver, delivery person, whatever it happens to be, days like today, you're really kind of more exposed to traffic accidents as well. And it dawned on me that I really want to reiterate that if you get hurt while you're out working in conditions like this, obviously the most important thing you can do is get some prompt medical treatment. But even more important, or perhaps secondly important to that anyways, is that you notify your supervisor. Don't wait for a couple of days, even if you think it's going to be nothing. Fill out a report so that it's contemporaneous with the day of the injury. If you fell on a snow and ice situation like we see here, take some photographs. Where I am here at the office in Farmington, there's been absolutely no salting or sanding of any kind whatsoever. So that's creating some significant liability on the part of the landlord. But again, get the medical treatment, but most importantly, let your supervisor know. Make sure that a proper report is prepared in a timely manner. If you do get hurt while you're out working in these conditions, I'd strongly recommend that you give us a call. We can kind of advise you through the process. You may have, in addition to your workers' compensation rights, you may have a personal injury claim, depending on what the circumstances are surrounding your injury. But I did want to reiterate that it just seemed like a good day to point that out. It's absolutely disgusting out here. So please be careful as you're out and about doing your job. Please be very careful when you're out on the roads. It's slippery as all get out there. And if you're walking on a parking lot like this, just please be careful. If you're coming to visit our world headquarters in Farmington, I would urge you to bring your boots and walk really slowly because this parking lot's an absolute mess. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We're in Farmington, 860-523-8783. Phones are answered 24 hours a day, and we will, of course, get back to you as soon as possible. Stay safe out there and enjoy the weather. Thanks.